Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 100. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. Week 100 is a 2-pen linkage that starts with a pass plus pass from 1.2 to 1.4.3.2.3 to 2.4.3. Next is a pass plus inverse sonic from 2.4.3 to 1.2.4 to 1.2.3. Next is a palm up to palm down charge 0.5 plus finger switch from 1.2.3 to 1.2.3.2. Next is a pass reverse plus finger switch from 1.2.3.2 to 1.2.3.4 with dot over dot apostrophe to 2.3.4. The linkage looks like this. Spindy's weekly linkage number 100 introduces some new 2-pen notation. There's no real official 2-pen notation, but personally I like the way I did mine. I'll leave some guidelines and rules of how to follow this notation in the description below. Quick side note, I'm not sure how well my videos are doing now, but I actually recorded this and am recording this now on July 22nd, 2023. I've just been mass producing these weekly linkages for the past couple months. Thanks for sticking with me if you're still here, it really means a lot to me. Don't worry, there will be more Spindy's weekly linkages after this. This is just the 100th special. I'm also posting 2 Spindy's weekly linkages related videos outside of this one for the 100th special, so feel free to check those out too. Thanks for watching, see you next week.